Hello family, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking. If you're a new subscriber, welcome, and if you're new here and if not subscribed yet to this channel, please remember to click on the subscribe button and click on the notification bell so anytime I upload a new video you will be notified. So in today's video I'll be making a beaded headband. I have my pair of scissors. I also have my crystal beads. I'll be using seed bead. I'll be using petal bead, my needle. I'll be using 0.25 of fishing line and my headband, which has been covered with satin. Okay, so let's get straight to this. To start with, I'm going to insert my fishing line into my needle without tying it or without making a knot at the end. You need to cut the length of the fishing line that you can comfortably work with. Okay, so after doing that, I'm going to take my headband and secure the fishing line on it by passing my needle through the same place or the same area for 3 to 4 times to lock it on the satin. So that's it. Alright, so after that, try pulling your fishing line to make sure it's very secured on the satin bias. Then you cut off the excess of the fishing line. Then the real tutorial begins. So I'll first pick one crystal bead, then I will pick a seed bead. Okay. Now, after picking the seed bead, I will return to pass my needle back through the crystal bead that I initially picked. So the seed bead will be on top of the crystal bead like this. Then you pull it onto your band. After this, I'm going to pass my needle through the satin on the headband. So after this, I'll continue to pick one crystal bead, then I'll pick a seed bead. Then I will return to pass my needle back through the crystal bead that was initially picked and pull my fishing line for the seed bead to be on top of the crystal bead. After which I will pass my needle through the satin. So you have to make sure that your beads are closer to each other. So just as I'm doing, I'll make sure I pass my needle through the bias very close to the first crystal and the seed bead that was picked. So like this, then I pick a crystal and continue the step. After picking a crystal, I'm going to pick a seed bead. Then I return to pass my needle back through the crystal bead and pull it down, pull my fishing line. Then just as where I pass my needle through on the satin, I will again pass my needle through the same place for the bead to be secured on the satin. So I repeat the step. I pick one crystal bead, then I pick a seed bead, then I'll return to pass my needle through the crystal bead and pull it down onto the band. So after this, I'm going to pass my needle through the satin and pull it. So this is how basically it is going to be like. It's the same step. You pick a crystal bead, you pick a seed bead, you return to pass your needle through the crystal bead, then you secure it on the satin by passing your needle through the satin. Okay, so it's the same steps that you're going to use to complete the band, and the only difference here is I'll be randomly adding the petal beads, and while you are going up you realize that you have to increase the column, the beads on the column. Like the beginning we started with 2 beads, going up we increase it to 3, so the next will be 4, and that is what you're going to do to finish up until we reach where it is smaller and you just have to reduce the number. Yeah, so you watch what I'm doing and let's do this together. Okay, so I added one of the petals, and it's something simple. I will show you how I did the petal in the course of the tutorial, so keep on watching. It's the same step at the beginning and as usual. Let's get this done. So guys, this is the step that we are going to follow until we are done with this headband. So let's move on. Okay, so as you can see off camera, I beaded up to this level. I added one of the petal beads. Like I said, I'll be randomly adding the beads, the petal beads. So guys, please, if you're not subscribed yet to this channel, please consider subscribing, give this video a thumbs up, share this video and leave a comment in the comment section.